Wow. It feels great that I have the weekend all to myself. My work is all paid off. I gotta be ready for my date with Isabella Gonzalez.
Wahahahahahahahahahaha. That's what you get for allowing all your friends including yourself to interfere in our business all the freaking time. I hope you'll die from an app lightning shock.
My body hurts like severely.
Juan. Is that you?
Oh my god. You've been stung by bees 'cause I see these things.
Yes, Daisy, it's true. While I was minding my own business, somebody threw a beehive at me and multiple bees stung me. Now that I'm scared that I might have intense symptoms coming to me due to the venomous bee's knees.
Oh my god. What happened here, Dish Girls?
Well, Jordan Sparks, dozens of bees stung Juan Diaz multiple times because somebody threw a beehive at him for a villainous prank or revenge.
I need to call an ambulance about this situation because what if Juan had an allergic reaction or something?
Good idea, Jordan Sparks.
Bee stings, snake bites or so are very serious and even deadly.
All right, Juan, they are coming to rescue you.
Well, that's good because we don't want Bug's condition to get worse. And we don't even know who threw a bee's nest at him.
Actually, we knew exactly someone that threw a beehive at your boyfriend, Isabella Gonzalez.
Really, AEROSTARS? Then who is that psycho thief that done it?
Well, it was that stupid villainous criminal mastermind and leader named Bobalu Stephen Hatt. The same pervert who made fake VHS openings out of us and sexually harassed Skylar the Go Animate Girl, and we recorded everything he ever did.
What? Bobalu Stephen Hatt, that stupid villainous criminal, perverted monster. I just can't actually believe he would do that to my boyfriend. That is so the last straw. I'm gonna assail and beat him up once and for all. He is gonna pay big time.
Don't worry about a thing, Isabella Gonzalez. Me, AEROSTARS, and Fredericton will help you assail and beat up that criminal 2.0 of a person who is a villainous villain. Jordan Sparks, Daisy, Samantha and Hannah, stay here and keep Juan Diaz calm and wait for the ambulance to arrive. And Dish Girls, you need to call your families about what happened with Juan Diaz today.
You got it, AEROSTARS.
Man, I tell you, Lamar, Dylan, Josh, Amarvati, Kenward, Rebecca, Tristan, Eloise, Ace, Raven, Lulu, Violet and Bobalu are the most annoying
troublemakers ever.
And Bobalu is really making me angry. I know, Samantha, Bobalu has really done it big time.
Ha 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 ha. I just can't stop laughing because throwing a beehive at Juan Diaz was so worth it.
Not so fast, Bobalu Stephen Hatt.
The AGENT-AEROSTARS, Isabella Gonzalez. I'm in a lot of trouble.
Don't you even move a muscle, you psycho villain.
Chow 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 chow. Oh my god, guys, what is the meaning of this? What did I ever do to you?
For one thing, Bobalu Stephen Hatt, it's just the fact that throwing a beehive at Juan Diaz and making him go to the hospital. Bees. Are you serious? He could have actually died if the stings were too severe. You know what? That's the last straw. I am calling your father about this for what you have ever done to Juan Diaz.
Now, get out of here and get away from our boyfriend. You are a disgrace just like Raven, Lamar, Dylan, Eloise, Lou, Violet, Kenward, Rebecca, Ace, Lauren, Josh, Amarvati and the other troublemakers. Now beat it or else we'll assault you again. You AGENT-AEROSTARS are so exactly right about Bobalu Stephen Hatt. He is a huge disgrace just like Raven, Lou and Lamar.
Yeah. That boy has no heart for nobody whatsoever. He even bullies his siblings non-stop.
Wow. His gang and Lamar's gang are really evil.
Bobalu Stephen had, you have got to be kidding me. How dare you throw a beehive at Juan Diaz, making him end up in the hospital. You could have killed him if he was allergic to bees. That's the last straw, Bobalu. Get yourself in your room right now. And I'll hoop you with a belt later on, so prepare yourself, you perverted monster.
You know what? I had just about enough of this.
Wow.